Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome back to Melda 242. If you're here for the first time, I am Melda. You are welcome and God bless you. Today, I'm preparing for my family the juiciest oxtail ever. Peas and rice coleslaw, fried plantains, and chicken wings. If you want to see how I achieve this, then I suggest you continue watching. My YouTube family, subscribers, returning, brand new, my followers, you're out there, you're watching. Guess what I'm doing today? Guess what I am doing? I am still doing it. I am still bringing the restaurant home. God bless you. This one is for my sister and her husband by way of YouTube, Cups Then and Blue Jeans. My YouTube family, go over to their channels today and be a blessing. Subscribe. God bless you. watching this video all the way to the end. If you have enjoyed it, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up. Share it out. Please leave a comment. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe and be sure to hit the notification bell. Select all so that you would be notified whenever I'm on with something new. God bless you. God bless you. And I'll see you in the next one.